Hello guys, if you have Samsung A23 5G smartphone or Samsung Galaxy A14 5G or A03s and A54 5G handset and you have forgotten your mobile Samsung mobile pin pattern password lock, then this video is completely in this topic where you can see that how can you remove any Samsung's pin pattern password lock with fingerprint sensor and face lock in just only 2 minutes without any data loss, without any computer and without any PC. So let's start this video. So hey guys, welcome again in my new and very fresh video. As you saw in thumbnails, today's video is fully dedicated to unlock Samsung's smartphone's pin pattern and password lock. And if you are watching this video, then I am 100% sure that your phone is completely locked due to forgotten password, pin and pattern lock. So don't worry at all, watch this video properly till the end and only then you will be unlock your smartphone in just only 2 to 3 minutes. So but before reveal this method, there are some important things that you have to take care of it. The first thing is that your smartphone should not battery charge less than 30%. Yes my friends, otherwise whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you should full battery charge your smartphone less than 30% or else you can charge your smartphone at the time of use this method to unlock your smartphone. So one of the most important thing I would like to tell you that this method is updated every month. So if your Samsung smartphone is not unlocked with this trick, then take help of my older videos and my upcoming videos, and for this you must subscribe our YouTube channel. And if your smartphone will be unlocked with that help of this video, then do like this video. This gives us a lot of encouragement to make the next amazing video to help you further. So first of all, whenever your mobile is locked, completely locked, and your pin pattern password and fingerprint plus face lock is not working as well, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Watch this video properly till the end and only then you will be able to unlock your smartphone by fully learning the method mentioned in it and applying it to your locked smartphone. Now you have to use offline mode in your smartphone, and in this offline mode, first of all you have to click on emergency call option and you have to swipe up your mobile screen and click on emergency call option here like this. When your emergency call option comes in your smartphone, I am telling you a code and you have to use that code, and this code is star hash 56161 star 23879 star hash, and you have to call this code for once. Okay, this is the first step is completed. We have to use another code to apply in this smartphone. So this second code is star hash 92121 star 56363 star 1111 and hash star. You can take a screenshot for this code. I repeat the code star hash 92121 star 56363 star 1111 means 4 times 1 hash star and hash star. You have to call this code again for once time, and after completing this process, the offline mode in your smartphone may not have been fully activated yet. You still have one process left, and that process is now you have to put your smartphone in airplane mode, meaning now you have to activate the flight mode of your smartphone. With activating it, your smartphone will go completely in offline mode. Okay, now you have to completed a stage, and now you have to take a new and most important step here. Now you have to activate the master unlocking mode of your smartphone. It is also called engineer mode in the language of our Samsung Service Center. Now you have to use that code to activate your engineer mode in your smartphone, and this code is, click on emergency call option again, and this is the code star hash 56121 star 0000 means 4 times 0 star 2121 star 3094 and hash star. This is the Google FRP code or master unlocking mode code. You have to take a screenshot for this code. I am repeating this code star hash 56121 star 4 times 0 star 2121 star 3094 hash star, and you have to call this code for 7 times. Yes, my friends, 7 times. When you start the calling, the number will be disappeared from your mobile screen, but you call this code for 7 times. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. After this, you have to use default password in your mobile passcode, and this is star hash 08523 and hash star, and you have to call this code for once. Okay, click the home button here. After that, swipe to unlock, and here you have to use those code, and this code is 8523. Okay, click on the back button here and click to camera option. Click to open your camera functions and go to video mode. Record a 3-second short video here. 1, 2 and 3 and click back button. Okay. After that, you have to swipe to unlock, and 8523. This is the default password. You have to use that default password to unlock your any Samsung smartphone. For example, and you can see that, my friends, your handset is completely unlocked and there is no any photos, videos and data loss of your smartphone. In this way, you can unlock any Samsung like Samsung Galaxy A23 5G, A14 5G, A03s and Galaxy A54 5G. A smartphone is completely unlocked PIN pattern and password lock, and in this way you can unlock any Samsung smartphone. Also, if your Samsung smartphone is still not unlocked from this method, in that case you can comment us by subscribe our YouTube channel. Our team will definitely reply to your comment in just only 2 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock your Samsung smartphone. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.